It's time for small groups, and I'm so excited that I get to be with you right now because that means we get to grow as mathematicians together in our small group today. So, welcome to small group. We're going to go ahead and get started. Here, we worked really hard last week on talking about the difference between measurement and fair share types of problems. So, we asked ourselves these questions: what are the groups in the problems? Our problem, does the problem tell us how many groups there are? And if the answer was yes, it was fair share, and if it's no, it was measurement. Then, once we knew, we were able to make an array to match that problem. When it was the amount of groups that we knew, fair share, we were able to put those groups over here on the side. When we knew how much was in each group, we're able to put that up top and do a measurement strategy. Well, as you learned in mini lesson today, and we're going to continue practicing this today, when there's no context at all, like in this problem, you are able to create an array that fits any type of strategy. So you can use measurement or fair share for this problem. So we're going to do this one together, and I want you to enter whether you'd like to choose fair share or measurement for this problem. Go ahead and enter that into PlayPosit now. All right, now that you've done that, I'm going to start solving it in a fair share model. You can go ahead and solve it on your own now, enter your answer, and once you've entered your answer, you'll be able to check it with mine in the video. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to put, I'm doing fair share, so I'm going to put ones on the side for all of that 4 that's in the divisor here. And I'm going to start by putting 1,000 in inside each group. So there's 1,000. Oops, and I made a little mistake here. Need another 0 for my 1,000 here. Now I have 4,000 in my array. If I continue on, I can put 100 inside my array. And keep doing that. And then I'm up to 4,400. Then I can put 25 in my array. Oops. And once I have 25 in my array, that's 100 more. So that takes me to 4,500. Now I need 32 more put in my array. And I know 8 times 4 is 32. So I'm going to put groups of 8 in my array. So when I do that, I now have 4,532 inside of my array. So all of this went in equally, and I now can find my final answer. It's up here at the top. 1,000 plus 100 is 1,100. 25 plus 8 is 33. So my answer is 1,133. If you got that answer, great job. You should have gotten it whether you did fair share or measurement. Nice job with that. And if you got that, and if you didn't get that, go ahead and go back to your array to see if you can find where the mistake is. Let's do one more together. And this one, we're going to, again, ask you which strategy you'd like to choose. Is it fair share or measurement? Enter that into PlayPosit. All right, now that you've entered that, I'm going to show it in measurement now. You can do it in the way that you chose. So go ahead and get out a pencil and paper and try to solve it and enter your answer into PlayPosit once you have it. Now that you've entered that, I'm going to show you how I solved it. So I put 4 groups at the top, and I know that 1,000 groups of 4 is equal to 4,000. So I'm going to mark 4,000 to the side because that's how many I have in my array. Then I'm going to go ahead and do 250 groups of 4, and I know that is equal to 1,000. If I continue on, first I have 5,000 in my array. I'm going to continue on. I need 485 more. So I know 100 groups will equal 400. And I know that takes me to 5,400. And then if I do a group of 24s, that will be 80. And that takes me to 5,480. And now I have 5 left. So one more group of 4 will be 4. And I now have 5,484. I need one more to get to that total dividend, but I can't split that evenly if it's going to be a whole number. So I have a remainder of 1. And then my whole number answer is here on the side. 1,250, 1,350, 1,370, 1,371. Remainder 1 is my answer. So if you got that correct, awesome. If not, go back and see what mistakes you made in your array and make those changes. Remember, mathematicians make mistakes, but they always want to go back and see where they made those mistakes so that they can make them better. Amazing job with small group today. You are now finished with your rotations, and it's time for you to click next at the bottom of this page in order for you to begin starting our reflection. I hope that you enjoyed Math Workshop today. I love the thinking that I saw, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your e-learning day. See you soon.